By the way, with the advent of AI and how that's going to change the billable hour, my prediction, and this is not just my prediction, but it's a generally well regarded and known prediction, is that there's going to take 100 lawyers to do something, second and third year associates, that it's going to take two lawyers to do in 5 years or 2 years. So a lot of the folks that are in big law, they're going to find themselves in a predicament and they're going to go out on their own. They're going to join smaller firms. So I think we need to start really considering how important BD is now, even if you're looking a year, two, three down the road.
So here's a hypo based on that. So let's say I am a 10-year associate at a firm of 25 to 30 lawyers, and I get approached by this Nick Augustine character who says, you should do your own marketing and have your own website. And they're like, maybe I could do that. I could have my own website that's just my name, and that Nick said that you should make it look like the other people's website so they don't get confused and know you're at the right firm. But I'm concerned that I'm going to get my head lopped off if my managing partner knows that I'm marketing. It's like, what are you doing? Are you trying to get yourself out of here? Like, what's the plan? Like, are
Yeah,
you
yeah.
on our team? Are you not on our team? And then you say, well, I'm trying, the more money that I bring in is good for you, is good for me. And they're like, I don't know, looks like you're going to jump ship. And people are scared of that, and rightfully so.
Yeah.
What do you do?
So it's going to come back to law firm culture. It's going to come back to them really knowing you as a person and your integrity, and also the fact is that may happen, and if it does, they should be happy for you. It's not about how do we hold on to someone for the rest of their life. I think that's a lovely thought, and I think years ago that was sort of the way things worked. Today, if you look at resumes, you see people are moving to better positions all the time, and a better position for someone might be going out on their own. So you're either going to support them so they stay with you and you teach and work with them and help them along. And guess what? They go out on their own and then they get cases they can't handle and they feed it back to the firm. And you've
Yeah.
got things at the firm that you can't handle, and you feed it back to someone you love and trust that moved out on their own, and they're at a
Yeah.
different price point or whatever. So it's just, again, it's like the rising tides lift all boats, and that's your mindset, or you're going to be incredibly protective of people not leaving or people doing their own thing or having their own business under your umbrella, and you're not going to allow it. And again, that's going to demonstrate, what type of culture you really have.
Yeah. I like the being honest with people and just level with them. I feel like if I knew, because everyone always thinks, I remember my father's company got bought at one time and they said, we're not replacing everyone.